What's little Josh, your boy Little Rocket, and as y'all can see for this title, man, today we got Skorp Bird. Y'all see me wearing the same thing? It's cause I was still reacting to the I reacted to the Death Note. That's a diss track. That's the one I reacted to. You feel me? Yeah, but somebody told me to check this out, so we gonna check it out. Hey man, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. And Algeria been going crazy lately. I mess with y'all. Without further ado, man, let's get to it.
Let's go, Toast.
When life has you playing hurry up,
Let's go.
Hertz keeps you ahead of the game.
Let's go.
Why is that video? Why is this song that's not even a video having ads?
All new electric vehicles.
Come on,
Let's
bro.
go.
Come on, fam.
Let's go.
I hope this is not a diss track too, bruh. Cause the way it's sounding like it's some dangerous type of adventure. I think I need some lyrics for this one. You feel me? Yeah, Tifuna, but why? Y'all gonna tell me what it means, you feel me? Cause I mess with y'all. Y'all always tell me, you feel me? Yeah. So what is he saying? Like, what is it about? Feel me? Like, take your time. Keep pushing P. Lifestyle. Like I always say, bro. If I don't know nothing, if I don't know what they talking about lifestyle. Pushing P. I'm proud of myself. Make time. Make time. Which bro? Damn.
زيد نشوف الرابر حاصل غير في القافية واقفين كامل فيك وانا الراب نديرو مريح في هذا الجوب وسط جرح سكارة فيكم